What's up, guys? We got a cool present for you today. We are working on this beautiful Kuwahara Magician EX. Beautiful frame Kuwahara, always made really cool freestyle stuff in the 80s. These are repop stickers, and yeah, it's got all this crazy stuff over here, the freestyle bar, and it's just a really good looking frame with a really nice color. Let's move on to parts. All right, so we have the original Kuwahara fork painted gray with the stickers. We have a 1-inch gyro, some tubes, white cam C chain. We got a Kuwahara handlebar. We got a silver Diacomp lever. We have a vocal gyro cable kit in white. We have a Sugino one-piece crank, some MX 1000 brakes. We got the original Kuwahara sprockets in pink, Kuwahara stem in really nice shape, a 1-inch headset, an Odyssey bottom bracket, Ori pyramid grips, and we got the Kuwahara layback post as well as a Dominator plastic seat. We also have some Panaracer tires and some Skyway mags. So this is going to be a really fun one. We'll post some more Kuwahara builds above. We've done a lot of them in the past. Let's get to the build. What's up, guys? We have this Kuwahara Magician X, looking awesome. Pink, gray, white, black, lots of cool parts and colors. So we'll show you some close-ups of the stickers. Let's go over parts. We have Ori pyramid grips, Diacomp levers, vocal gyro cables, the original Kuwahara bars. We have this Kuwahara stem, 1-inch headset with a 1-inch gyro, Diacomp MX 1000 brakes, the original forks, Pan-Eraser tires, Skyway mag wheels. We have these dice valve caps, the original pegs for the front fork, Haro Fusion pedal. We have a one-piece crank and this cool Kuwahara sprocket. We put on a white KMC chain, Odyssey clamp Kuwahara layback post, plastic Dominator seat, and then we have the MX 1000 brake with a Pan-Eraser tire on the rear and a Skyway mag with clear dice valve caps and a cool ACS freewheel. So this thing came out absolutely great. We'll post some more Kuwahara builds above, so make sure to check those out as well. We've done some Bravos and some other cool ones in the past. Thank you for watching. Please let us know your comments and thoughts, and please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.